Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
The embarrassment of my life.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
I was so embarrassed.
A Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good times we bring to you and
for you guys. Today it's my boy's 1 year appointment. Dominion, say hi. Today is his appointment, 6th of December. Say hello. Say bye bye. Say hello. Like, today is his appointment. 1 year doctor's appointment, like 1 year checkup. So I decided to carry you guys along. I know that the appointment is on the 6th, but I forgot the date. I didn't even know that today's date is 6th December. I didn't know. So I was praying this morning. I remember that I have an appointment and 6 should be this week. All I did was just to open my phone. I was praying. After praying, I checked my phone 6, but I don't know the date. I checked to see if I can get the appointment paper. I couldn't see the paper. I called my husband. He called the hospital. They said 10:30. Guys, this is past 9, and there is like up to 45 minutes drive or something like that. So I'm going. Makeup? No. Wait, see this boy. Look at this boy. He's looking for a wife. Who is the future wife? Look at him. The future wife. See him. Okay, come. Let's take our thumbnail picture. Say hi. Hi. Dee. Diggy, diggy, diggy. Okay, go. Hi. We are done dressing. We should be on our way now. Dominion say, oh my God, he said that. Okay.
Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings
I'm back
for
now.
Christmas and a Happy.
I left my house around past 9. Look at me coming back. This is past 5, and this video needs to go down today. Today is 6th. So I went to the shop. Before I tell you the embarrassment I got today, because I had that embarrassment of my life. Oh jeez. Yeah, let me just gossip with you guys a little. When I was waiting for the lift, I saw this woman. She's a black lady. She was in front, like she was just pressing her phone. She had like 5 and 3 years old baby there. So she had the nails. When I sighted the nails were like a kind of interesting, very beautiful nails. Like, nail was long like this. I was just looking at the nails, like, with these kids, you have this long nails. Within me, I was just saying, my dear, I looked again. There was no nails. There was nails here. There was no nails here. There was no one here and another one here. I look at this one. To me, you know, that kind of a thing you will see if you with your sister or with your friend, you just make an eye contact and started laughing. But this was nobody to make eye contact with. I kept it to myself. So, well, that is it. It's the gossip I have today. Embarrassment I had today. Oh, jeez. This boy here. I went to shop Mula. That is the shop that when you find yourself there, you look around, you buy things, even what you need, but you don't know that you need them. Such a thing. That is what I love that shop for. The embarrassment made me to come home with only this and this. Where is that? And this surprise egg I managed to get from my kids. Like, this is what a surprise egg. Guys, you won't just believe that. Entering the shop, I was just looking for cosmetics. You guys saw me, like, trying to know the particular side for my product, NYX. I saw NYX, I'm trying to start some of the products. This was shouting, crying, making noise. Not like him. He does like, I carried him for where, I dropped him for where. This, my dear, I have to leave. I have to start going. And I bought this as well. I bought this eyeshadow. This is good for smoky eyes. These are the things I bought. Nothing. But I have to try it. There is this. I bought this lipstick. Let me show you guys. I bought this lipstick. I saw the color and I like it. I know that the color is always good on black colors. That's the color. This one is speaking Igbo for me. I should leave him. Am I holding him? So go in here. So the lipstick and I love it. I pick it up. That's all. That is all I bought. That is all I bought. Domino couldn't allow me to buy anything. He had an injection. I don't know if it's paining him. Maybe I'll just give him this medication. So guys, I have a lot to do this evening. I need to edit this video and post it today. And again, I have laundries to fold. I have laundries to hang. I still have another laundry. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. We started this vlog together. We need to end it. Say bye. Say bye. It's okay. So guys, bye.